Hello everyone, Ethan Wright here. Thanks for tuning into the screencast. Today we will be comparing two different websites in a usability test. We will be comparing the Department of Motorized Vehicles website with the Department of Transportation's website. Thanks for tuning in. So here you have my table of contents. I used the table of contents generator and it wouldn't work, so I ended up having to make this manually. There it is. Okay, so for this usability test, I performed 10 tasks, and I picked these tasks out because I felt like the Department of Motorized Vehicles and the Department of Transportation would have a similar audience in range to users on their website, such as like a 16-year-old to like, I don't know, maybe a 68-year-old, just people who can drive, people who can travel would be the ones using these websites, and I figured these 10 tasks would be overall efficient, effective, and engaging for all age groups, and that these tasks would test the effectiveness, engagement, and so on. So for the test environment, I performed these tasks using Safari version 11.1.2 on my 2016 MacBook Pro. It's running OS X version 10. I performed the test in a quiet room, free of distractions or interruptions. This allowed me to test all these websites in a single sitting and overall evaluate their total engagement. So the test matrix, as you can see here, evaluate effective, efficient, engaging, error tolerant, easy. Here's the Likert scale that I used. I used the ones with words so that it's easy to see what you're deciding. So task 1, locate search engine. Both websites located the search engine easily. Locate contact information. Both websites were easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk about the usability features that I really liked and the usability features that I didn't like, rather than go over all these for you. So for the Department of Motorized Vehicles, one thing I didn't like was task 9, locate budget information, was extremely hard to find. They didn't have any budget information posted, and I don't really agree with that. I feel like if you're a public office, you should be posting your budget information and reporting on that. So for the Department of Transportation, task 9, they scored really high. I really liked that they had budget information. It was really easy to find. And that's one of the features I really liked about the Department of Transportation's website, just how easy it was, how welcoming it was to find their budget information, and how it was just all there and neatly organized for you. The Department of Motorized Vehicles had no budget information. Now, one feature from the Department of Motorized Vehicles that I did like, that was consistent on the Department of Transportation, was the return to home button. They both had a very nice, easy to find return to home button. It brought you back to your home page, and you could navigate the website very effectively using that return to home page. The DMV ended up scoring 210 points, DOT 218. Overall, I recommend the DOT website just because they have that budget information. They're a little bit more user-friendly. Overall, the websites are both very user-friendly. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask. Shoot me an email at ethanwright23@gmail.com. Here's the links to these websites. Go ahead and check them out if you'd like for yourself. They're great websites. Very informative. And here's some raw data of the test matrix I performed. So, excuse me, my phone just went off. But yeah, that about wraps it up. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.